Hi, my name is Barbara, but they call me Bobbi. Dr. Sutherland has done 2 surgeries for me. My left shoulder with the rotator cuff and the right shoulder was with the total shoulder replacement. I feel a lot of confidence in him. He gets to the point. He doesn't beat around the bush. I like that. He's very direct, and I like that. This is what I can expect. This is the way it's going to go, and hopefully it all goes well. The first surgery was because I was playing golf and I raised my arms too high and I heard a crunch, and so I came to Dr. Sutherland and he told me what had to be done. And I procrastinated a little bit, but eventually we did it. My recent surgery was a total shoulder replacement. I was referred to him by my doctor, by 2 doctors actually, my cardiologist as well as my regular full-time care. And they said he had an excellent reputation and that that was the way to go.